What is the beginning sound in lion? Yes, L. L. What is the beginning sound in octopus? Yes, O. Octopus. What is the beginning sound in goat? Yes, the letter G. Goat. What is the beginning sound of hat? Yes, the letter H. Hat. What is the beginning sound of tent? Yes, the letter T. Tent. What is the beginning sound in pig? Yes, the letter P. Pig. What is the beginning sound in apple? Yes, the letter A. Apple. What is the beginning sound in leaf? Oh, that's right, the letter L. Oh. What is the first sound you hear in otter? Yes, the letter O. What sound do you hear in the beginning of green? Yes, the letter G. What sound do you hear in the beginning of heart? Yes, the letter H. What sound do you hear in the beginning of tiger? Yes, the letter T. What sound do you hear in the beginning of pan? Yes, the letter P.